Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by launching the app and positioning your finger where the gesture area is active. Tap once to wake input, then press lightly and start a smooth, deliberate circle, clockwise or counterclockwise depending on settings. Keep constant speed and steady curvature. This helps the recognizer map the path. Once done, lift straight up to signal completion. If the circle is jagged, try a slightly larger radius and maintain the same finger pressure to improve detection. Now refine the gesture so the search reliably triggers. You want a medium-sized circle. Too small and the system confuses taps. Too large and you risk hitting other UI elements. Move at steady speed. Abrupt stops create separate strokes the recognizer treats as different gestures. If results are inconsistent, open sensitivity or calibration in settings and run the test animation. Make small incremental changes, then repeat the circle until the visual feedback confirms a successful recognition. Finish by executing the circle and verifying the search panel opens with expected results. If it works, practice twice to build muscle memory for consistent use. If it fails, don't overcorrect. Try one controlled retry with a marginally larger radius or steadier pace. Make sure your screen is clean and the protector isn't interfering. If problems persist, restart the app, check for updates, and finally reset gesture settings. This clears conflicts and restores the default recognition thresholds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.